buzzer, charge your weapon. Steel targets, and you're probably the rest of the barricade will need 4 red steel targets. Okay. Against that, you go to the barrel, shoot through the barrel, and you remove that black steel targets. You can run about 2
to go back and get it.
I've got many descriptions made of it. It's been hard for me to keep up. All right, not over 8 rounds.
It's pretty much
Yeah, that's my
yeah.
yeah.
What about being like the tanks at the top, holding the
And you got to train. Even listen to it. There you go.
Gun on the strike?
Anywhere on the table there you want in front of you.
It's a thigh seat.
Yes, it is. I noticed that yesterday.
Here?
On your knees. All right, is the shooter ready?
Yes.
Stand by.
Yeah. Single load.
All right, that was shit. All right, we're clear.
Muzzle up. I love you too. Let me see.
I did, you know. He didn't watch it, I gave him had a good time.
Probably right.
Okay, I'll make sure I'm out of your way.
Oh, we shot.
So shooter, understand the course of fire.
Yes.
Just nod your head when you're ready. Shooter indicates ready, stand by.
What did he have to tap those 2 fingers?
I think the gun's just gotten dirty.
You finished 34-51.
8 rounds in the tube, nothing in the chamber, bolt down.
8 rounds in the tube. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. At the sound of the buzzer, grab your shotgun. Don't charge it till your feet hit the ground.
Okay.
Don't chamber around until your feet are on the ground.
Yeah.
We've got 5 targets through the first box here. The red one you have to shoot last.
Yeah.
These 5 through the port.
That little blue one makes
The little
a
blue one. Yep.
thing turn, which does it go in front of the first popper?
The little blue one doesn't. I mean, the
Yeah.
drop turner's just there.
It doesn't
It's
do
just
anything.
action.
Okay.
It's just a little more action. All right. From behind the barricade within the box, engage the remaining 3.
And that thing is going to ball.
It's going to be swinging. Yep.
Can I take some collateral damage?
For one thing, left
If you don't mind paying the penalty.
There's a hole in that one.
Oh, that's from.
So I leaned over and go.
Yeah, but you know there's a hole in that one, right?
Yeah, there's a.
I don't want to get penalized for not shooting it.
That's a wad from that little 9-inch Sega that guy was shooting.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's just that you know that there's a hole in it, so I don't get
No,
penalized.
actually, I'm gonna penalize you for it after we shoot.
Oh, thanks.
No.
That's pretty cool.
I figure since you're shooting a semi-auto, manual, it's it'll be all right. Just go ahead and make ready. Load 8 rounds or 2. Nothing to shape it.
Prone as I could get.
The wrong way around.
Almost right.
See this year?
He's always right.
I hate red-green colorblind. There's gonna be targets, and when they get dirty,
Yeah.
I can't see them.
Yeah, they.
The only shotgun I've got at home is an 1893,
Oh, really?
so doesn't really help with training, you know.
I try to spritz these, every now and then if they get a little.
Now, jump up on the four-wheeler and you can get your shotgun where you want once you get on the four-wheeler.
Point the ones that you say are red.
Just
Show
tell
me.
me where it's
Just
at.
thinking
Yeah.
how I'm.
Shooter ready? Stand by. All right, show me clear.
It's empty.
It's empty. You're clean. 3714.
What did you say? I can't believe you're clean.
Here, I'll zip tie. No, I didn't say that. I said I believe you are.
He did not.
I didn't say that. I might have thought it. I didn't say it.
Remember, paybacks come on the subgun range in April. Just remember the face, the name. Remember.
Yeah. I need to choose the different one of the two then this time.
There you go.
I'd choose that one. I wouldn't choose this.
All right, if you want to just take your sheet back to her up.
No, I don't want to because
Well,
shit.
I understand. Keep your muzzle up. You're good to go.
Yeah,
Thank you,
thanks.
sir.